All right, their slogan is, why can't every pair of shoes, women's shoes, feel just like sneakers? Hi there, and welcome to my channel. I'm Liz. Thanks so much for dropping in today. I have a really great haul today that wasn't gonna start out as a haul, but because I actually love this brand so much, mainly for the style, the comfort, the affordability, all the range of styles that they have, I decided to do a haul so that this will be searchable for you in the future, or you can come back to it very easily and find it, because I think it is an important brand to highlight. So today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 pair of VIVAIA shoes that I recently picked up. Now, these were sent to me, so I do want to disclose that, but I picked them all. There was really no guideline. I actually only needed to incorporate these into a couple minutes of any video. So I am choosing to highlight them all on my own because it is a brand that I have liked for a few years now. And mainly, I think it would be great for you if you have a hard time finding really stylish, comfy shoes, which is a passion of mine. I love to be stylish and comfy at the same time. So I picked out all these shoes. So I'm gonna give you my honest thoughts on them and on the fit, the comfort, the style, all of those good things. So I haven't seen them in person yet. I'm gonna unbox them here with you today. Okay, first up are these Mia. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. And I got these in the ruby red. Okay, and really cute right off the bat right here on the side. It says, thank you for helping our ocean and recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles, preventing them from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming marine life. So that is another thing. They do have a lot of sustainable practices, as in how they collect their materials and even in production. So first impressions, look at these. They are so cute. So they actually have a feature that I love. I have picked up other pairs in other brands that have this cutout feature. So I think that this is a more elevated feature. These are really, like, the color is really pretty. I would say it's a true red, maybe even a little bit deep red, just really pretty. I love that it has like this design, and it actually has like an antimicrobial, I think, inside and a breathable, outer end. So real comfortable. They also have a non-slip bottom and a little tiny 1/2 inch heel. Little point toe. So, and first impressions, I think that they look great. So the fit is really great, really comfortable. There is padding in the inside. They fit true to size. I picked these up in a size 40 and I am a US size 9. They fit so comfortable, and these are great. You could pop on with anything. You can wear them with jeans, trousers, dresses. And to add a little pop of color to your outfit, I think red is the perfect choice. So really happy with this first pick. Okay, and next up is a pair of gray, rich gray penny loafers that I wanted to try out because I've been loving gray and I'm going to love it for the fall and winter. And these are perfect. They are like a deep smoky gray. Really nice. I love the almond toe, classic design. Looks really high end. This looks really nice. And so this does have the breathable outer, the non-slip sole, and then a little 1/2 inch heel as well. And the interior looks great. Lots of support in there. And this says it has extra heel support. It also mentions that all of their shoes are wide foot friendly. So that is good to know. I have a thinner foot and I can still wear them. They're very comfortable. I picked these up in a size 40 as well. The fit on these feels so great, so comfortable. I like the look. I love everything about these. I actually ordered a few pair of gray loafers. I've been looking for gray loafers and I went like super high end and didn't like them. So these fit the bill really, really great. And if you're enjoying this content, be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you back. I'm always finding really great, stylish and comfy items. So if you're ever in need of anything, check into my channel, or, you know, also put a comment down below and hopefully I can help you out. Okay, I am so excited for these. These are the Scarlet Point Toe Pump Kitten Heel, and they call it a running shoe. So we'll see about that. And beautiful. So all of us know, or you're probably aware, that the cap toe look is timeless, classy, dressy, definitely stylish ladies wear. And so I had to get it in these comfy shoes. So I've seen it in many different styles and nothing really appealed to me. But when they said this is a running shoe as a pump, I don't know about that. I'll definitely test it out. But the look is beautiful. So it's a beautiful ivory with a little bit of a black point toe and a nice little kitten heel. Okay, and it does have all that inside, you know, support in there. So real comfy, breathable. It does have the grip on the bottom and the heel. The kitten heel is just under 2 inches, which is really nice as well. And oh my gosh, these are so comfortable. Like, they're really light, real flexible, real breathable. These, of course, would be great to have on hand for any event that you want a little heel, but also you don't want your feet to hurt and you want breathability. I like a good leather shoe, but we all know your feet get sweaty in them. So this is a beautiful option to have. And I did pick these up in the size 40 and they do fit very well. And yeah, great pump to have. And they also come in a lot of colors. So if you wanted a more classic color, like just an all black or a navy or something like that, definitely could pick those up as well. Very, very cute, very classic. Okay, we're getting through them. So next up, another one I'm excited for. This one is a Chelsea boot, and its claim is it can just slip on and it's waterproof, which that is amazing because, you know, if it's a rainy day, you don't always want to wear like rain boots. So these still look like a classic boot, but they are waterproof. And I opted for this gorgeous chocolate brown. And right off the bat, I love this color. I have been loving brown, and especially this deep chocolate, this deep coffee brown. So I actually have a lot of items in this color. So this is going to be great for me in the fall and winter. I love the overall silhouette. It does have a little square point toe, which is on trend now, but I don't think it's too much that you couldn't wear it when square toes out. It's not, this is the kind I like. If you watched one of my things not to wear videos, I said opt for a toe like this that kind of comes in, that isn't just a big Frankenstein style. So see how it points in a little and then just has a square point, which is beautiful. Okay, and then this has just a little 1-inch heel, a 9.5-inch shaft, and all of the breathability still and sole comfort as the other shoes. It does have the non-slip bottoms. Really, really great. And so let's see if they just slide on. Okay, even more amazing than the waterproofness is the slide on. So if you have back problems or you have problems getting into your shoes, getting them off and on, to have a boot that you can just slide on and off and is super comfy, I mean, that's amazing. That's amazing. And so like all of the other ones I've shown you, these come in several colors too. I love that I have a variety. I actually just picked shoes that I needed. And so I have a great variety. Hopefully you find one that you love as well. Okay, next up, I would say a trendy kind of designer inspired look. And so funny because I actually just pulled these all out of the box and set them up. So the order was not planned, but the order ended up being perfect. So funny how that works out. So another boot that I saw online and I was like, I have to try them, are these. Again, I love gray. These gray with the bow. So they really give me like a kind of Dior vibe or Valentino vibe. Like they put kind of swishes and bows and things like that on their shoes. And this, let me open them both up. Okay, so I love the design. I will say the thing I didn't expect is it does have like a metallic going through it, but I don't hate it. This would be great during all of the holiday seasons, but also because gray can get a little bland and I love wearing gray, I'm envisioning these boots, some like cream colored pants and a gray like cashmere sweater. And these would really be like the pop. Like they're a little bit extra and just so beautiful. So they do have a point toe. They do have a 2.5-inch heel, but still very walkable with the grip on the bottom as well. And then it does have this stretchy like sock-like ankle area. So that could be a little tight, a little loose depending on your leg size. But really its claim to fame, I think, is the bow, and then it's a beautiful point toe. I don't think it's too much, too little. Overall, I think these are going to be a great addition to style up any outfit. Again, these do come in other colors if the gray metallic is not your vibe, but they are perfect for me. And also I wanted to mention that they do offer a 30 money back guarantee. So if you're not happy with it for any reason, you can just return it or exchange it. And their shipping is great. Their packaging is great. So all around a brand I have been loving for, you know, I would say at least 3, maybe 4 years now, and so happy that they collaborated with me on this video and provided me with some lovely shoes to share with you. All right, I wanted to thank you so much for dropping in and spending some of your time with me today. Hopefully this was fun and entertaining. If it was, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. It's free. I hope that you have a really wonderful day, and I hope to see you in the next one.